Let me just put the big headline out there. If you dye or bleach your hair, you're adding chemicals to the hair. So yes, your hair will get damaged, but the amount of damage depends on the amount of care you gave to your hair. What's good, YouTube? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seen this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya, the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Honey, I know I look crazy, I know I look a hot mess, but I actually just washed my hair and to moisturize my hair, I'm just letting it air dry because your girl is about to attempt braiding her hair for the first time. I'm actually going to record it, so stay tuned for that video. But back to this video. If you are a true supporter, you would know that approximately 2 months ago, I actually bleached the ends of my hair with Basic White and Volume 40. The rest of my hair, I colored it with a Honey Blonde Cream of Nature hair dye kit. I did a video with the whole process of the hair coloring transformation. It is up on my channel, so if you haven't already, please go and check it out. Fast forward today, I feel like it is only right, it is only fair for me to come on here and give you guys a little update on my colored hair, letting you know the good, the bad, what is happening or what happened to my hair when I colored it. Also, I am not a professional, so whatever I share with you guys, you do not have to take it to heart. It is just my perspective. Update number 1. Let me just put the big headline out there. If you dye or bleach your hair, you're adding chemicals to the hair. So yes, your hair will get damaged, but the amount of damage depends on the amount of care you gave to your hair. Update number 2. Please, for the love of Christ, if you do not have any time on your hands, if you cannot make time, do not, I repeat, do not bleach or dye your hair. Because remember guys, you added unwanted chemical to your hair. So at this point, your hair is fragile. Your hair needs your full attention. Your hair is like a baby. Following? So don't be like me. I'm not really mad about it because it's my fault. In the thumbnail, the clusters of hair that I have, this is the damage or the breakage I was having within the past 2 months. So this is everything I've combed out of my hair within the past 2 months since I've dyed my hair. Like I said, your hair needs your full attention. Do not do it if you cannot pay attention to your hair like every week. Sad to say, I did not show my hair that much attention, and mind you, we're in quarantine. I do have time. Why I did not show my hair that much attention, I do not know, but it is very unfortunate and I don't want that to happen to you guys. So please, if you don't have any time, or if you do have time like me and was wasting the time not showing your hair any attention, please ensure that you do so. Your hair needs the attention. Update number 3. Moisturizers and protein treatments are going to be your best friend. Trust and believe. Because the chemical you added to your hair, it makes your hair really dry. Hence the reason why you have to moisturize it regular. And the protein treatment is really good with hair growth. So ensure that you guys do that. What you can do is like moisturize your hair once or twice a week. Then you can use the protein treatment every 2 weeks or whenever you want. But ensure that you are very consistent. Update number 4. Stay away from heat. hair dryer, flat iron, curling iron, hot comb, all of those stuff, stay away from heat, because again, remember, your hair has all these chemicals in it. You don't need to be applying heat to your hair. If you don't have to, don't do it. Update number 5. If you have to style your hair, for me, the best things that helped me to style my hair better was actually products of the brand dye that I use. So Cream of Nature products, they were really helpful with me styling my hair, but I don't know if that would work for everyone else or if that really mattered. But I just felt like the product brand of the dye that you use, that's a good thing to use to style your hair. Okay, so that's it for me as it regards to updates, but I want to tell you guys some stuff off the jump. Like number 1, your curling pattern is going to change. For a fact, that's the curl you have in your hair, the pattern is going to change. Number 2, give your hair breeze, give your hair air, give your hair breeze. Don't be having your hair up in a bun all the time. Don't be tying your hair up and stuff. Give your hair breeze. Number 3, if you are planning to re-dye your roots, I know on the box it usually tells you a couple weeks into when you can go back and re-dye your roots, but honey, that is not true, because the weeks I got on my box at that time, I did not see any new growth, and you would basically waste your time to go in on your dyed hair, which would make the roots like lighter than the original color, and that may damage your hair. Again, as I said, I'm not a professional, but I don't really think you need a certificate to know that if you re-dye your roots that doesn't want to be re-dyed, you could be damaging your hair. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please remember to stay tuned for my next video, which will be me attempting to braid my hair for the first time. If you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ensure that you like this video and leave positive comments. Also, remember to follow my socials at AYAFARRR. That is IFR with 3 R's. Or you can click the links down below in my description box and they'll take you straight to the pages. Until next time, love you guys. Walk good. Peace.